So, as you know, we bought the new Sony ZV1 camera. And I think that we're gonna love it. The problem is we have to get to know it a little bit. It's kind of like when you're dating a guy and you think you're gonna like it, but you gotta get to know him a little bit better before you go, I love him. All right, well, that's what it's like with the Sony ZV1. We recorded our footage of the sound test. Let me show you a segment of that clip right here. But it goes off on a tangent.
It's us.
I know it is.
This is what people like.
And it's what we are.
As surprising as it is, people like us.
This is the Canon EOS 80D camera on automatic setting with the Rode Wireless Go mic set to the medium dB gain setting.
You might notice that the footage does not look, it might not look as spectacular as you hoped. And it certainly doesn't look as spectacular as I hoped. It sounded pretty good, but it didn't look great. Now, here's the problem. The Sony ZV1, straight out of box, was set to record at 60 frames per second. Well, my computer and my program just cannot handle 60 frames per second. So what I had to do was I had to take the video and I had to put it into a different editing program, and then I had to export it at 30 frames per second before I could put it into the program that I'm comfortable editing with. But that was only after I had spent 2.5 days trying to get my video to export right. And what was happening is that it would export and it would cut out the visual and leave the audio, or it would leave the visual and cut out the audio. It was very frustrating. We also have not shared the unboxing video yet. And I'm hoping to be able to work a little magic to be able to make that footage usable. If you saw the why we bought a new camera video, you might have noticed that the visuals were not as clear. That's because we used our GoPro to film it, and there might have been a fingerprint on it from when my husband set it up on the tripod. Because the sound is pretty good. We don't want to have to redo it. Obviously, it's very difficult to recreate opening up a camera that's already been unboxed. If you are missing new content and you want something new that's not this, go over to Canva Tutorials by Like It or Not, because today was a great day. We did an advanced course series on animations and music, and I just think it is awesome. So I'm gonna link it in the end card. Please go check it out. Go check out Canva Tutorials by Like It or Not. Please, if you want to learn more about Canva, do me a favor, go over there, check it out, subscribe, watch the video, like it, learn something. And I've got a plan for a new video coming out. Actually, a couple things, because today I'm expecting a package that has some small, mini kitchen appliances in it. And I want to start getting back to doing some creative things in the kitchen. I want to get back to the Instant Pot Ace Plus blender. I want to do these new appliances. I want to do taste reviews. I want to get back to that, and I'm hoping that we'll get back to that soon. So if you came to the channel for that, don't worry, it's coming back. I didn't want to record anymore with junky visuals and junky audio. I got a new camera. All right, see you next time. Bye.